Elbaph Luffy. This is from episode 1157. So this is the best image I could find of him just looking normal up front. So let's do this. Happy Luffy, not serious. So let's go for his eye. Curving up and down like that. The bottom eye line. And then just a black eye. Eyebrow. Scar. Then we'll go over and do the other one. Curving up and down. Bottom eyelid line. And then his black iris. Circle in the center. Eyebrow. Just happy eyebrows, so just kind of raised up. And then his nose. Like that. And then a nostril just there. Big smile. Coming across, very simple one piece style. It can be bumpy. And then we'll bring it down around. And then add a line for the teeth. There's just a little curved line either side. So this Elbaph uniform. So he's got like a big helmet. So say like we can just see his chin here. So it just comes around. Like that. And then he has these things hanging down here. Like straps. And look like big ears. And then this comes this way. It's like there's like a little other line inside. And there's buttons. So join these together with a curve. Hair spikes then. And then we get an ear. Another ear. Some ear lines. There's some more hair spikes sticking out. So then this big helmet, so it's like a real big round thing coming around. So this comes up and around. Right, so we'll go this way. Down. And then there's another line with some like circles or something on them. So like it goes like this. And then these go all the way. And then there's all circles on it. So then we have another piece of metal coming right up the middle. And then we'll bring it down. And then there's golden rings, 3 either side. And then he has those horns that come up. They'll go off my page, but if you want room, you can bring them to the spikes that are way up the top. It's a very big helmet. Some might say a little too big. Right, so then he has fur jacket just coming around here. And it's just like bumpy, cartoony kind of fur. It's just like a cloud. And then his neck comes down. Do. And then here. The other side as well. Then more that kind of comes down onto his arm down here. Okay, so his body comes down either side here. And his arm goes off this way. Standard, just cartoony sort of arms. And then he has a big strap that comes across his chest. With a buckle. Like some textures on it. Okay, so his chest here And there's like a chain that comes across here, like a chain of circles. And then these actually have circles inside them. And then we get chest muscle. And then there's some abs here. And his scar. And am I missing the handle of the axe? It just goes off this way. Boom. Elbaph, Luffy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.